Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import an existing localization file into your project so that you can use that localization file moving forward. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got FieldGenius open, I've created a new project here, and I'm going to head to the plumb bob icon in the bottom left corner and then select Survey Tools and GNSS Local Transformation. And from within my GNSS Local Transformation menu here, I'm going to select Import Parameters because I want to be bringing in an existing LOC file. And you can see here that I have this import parameters. Importing new parameters will overwrite all existing local transformation parameters. Do you wish to continue? To which I'm going to select yes here. And you're going to see here that I'm getting my import parameters. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate and select the file I want to bring in. In this case, it's named Alejandra.loc. So I'm going to select that file and collect open, and you're going to see here now that I have a couple different options, including a new modify control and adjust GNSS points. So if I had points that weren't in this localization file that I do want to adjust, I can select adjust GNSS points. And if I wanted to see what my parameters were, I can hit modify control or modify parameters to see exactly what my transformation is doing. And moving forward, any points that I'm now going to shoot in this project will have this localization applied to them. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you import a .loc file into MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. This saves you from having to redo your localization in the field. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.